Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to create your very own Snapchat account. Whether you're new to the app or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get started in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the Google Play Store on your device and download the Snapchat app. Once it's downloaded, open the app to begin the sign-up process. You'll see a friendly welcome screen inviting you to join. Next, tap on Sign Up to start creating your account. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your name. After you've done that, tap on Sign Up and Accept. This will lead you to the next step, where you'll need to enter your birthday. Make sure you get this right, as it helps tailor your experience. Now comes one of the fun parts, creating your username. This is how your friends will find you, so choose something that reflects your personality. Keep in mind that you can only change your username once a year, so make it count. After setting your username, it's time to pick a strong password. Aim for at least 10 characters to keep your account secure. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols will give you the best protection. Now, Snapchat will ask for your phone number. This is important for security and account recovery, so enter your number and follow the prompts to verify it. If you prefer not to use your phone number, don't worry. You can tap Sign Up with Email instead to skip this step. Once that's sorted, Snapchat will give you the option to find your friends by allowing access to your contacts. This is a great way to connect with people you already know. But if you want to do it later, you can skip this step too. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Snapchat account. Now you can start exploring, snapping photos, and connecting with friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Snapchat and other apps. Happy snapping!